The rain is causing a lot of erosion. Just look at that, guys. Very, very heavy downpour. It's kind of raining daily. And these are the situations currently, especially around the farm areas. My friends, for those who are new here, watch the video fully and subscribe to the channel. For those who have always been coming back, thank you. Thank you so much. Let's take this channel to 1K subscribers. So, guys, this is Sanes Jogu, and welcome back to my channel. Just exploring the real African life, the real African stories, activities, and everything that entails Africanism. You will find it in this channel. So let's continue with today's video. So I'm shooting the video from Nakuru, Kenya, East Africa. And this is in the evening. This is the situation. Very bad weather. It has been raining today. Actually, since yesterday, a lot of rain, a lot of rain have been raining. So these are the situations. mm, These are the situations. So the rain is so good. You see, you see our farms. Look at the farms. The food is very, very healthy. Look at on this other side. Look on this other side. The food or the crops are really, really healthy. The only downside of it is soil erosion. mm, Because when it rains a lot, most of the soil is carried away, and that destroys some part of the farm. So I wish the owners can come up with better management ways to ensure that the foodstuffs uh, are protected from the erosion. Yeah? Look at that. Fully eroded. Yeah? So we have a lot of napier grass. You see, and the owners are already harvesting the napier grass. So they use it to feed their cattle, their cows, such. A lot of serious farming on this side. Irish potatoes, skuma wiki, all of them. So guys, what's up? I hope you are aware wherever you're watching from. So oh, guys, support this YouTube channel. That is one of the things I will keep on insisting on from you. Your support is the best thing that can ever happen to me. And the way to support is by subscribing and liking to my videos, so that I can get motivated and continue shooting for you more videos like these ones. It's a very, very cool afternoon. Mm. People today are not even on the farms. I think they have already gone home. These are cassavas. These small trees, these are cassava plantation. Mm. A very, very healthy food stuff, mm, especially for breakfast. We also have some sugarcane plantation on the far end. The ones that look like bushes, those are sugarcane. So cassavas are really good. They are really, really good. These are like very organic kind of food stuff. Very organic. eh. So they are really amazing. So you see, you can see such a single tree when you uproot because the cassavas are in the soil. Maybe that single that single crop plantation like that is holding a lot of them underground. Many of them because they are like roots. So many of them. Eh? Oh, it's really getting cold. Really getting cold. Or it's because I'm in this bush like area. Maybe. Mm. But it's kind of really getting very cold. Oh, mm, really getting cold. Yeah, so guys, typical African life. Simple life, simple living, simple driving. Mm? And oh fuck. Oh, I don't like what I saw. I won't even mention it. Disgusting. Oh man. Man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Adult adult are humans are conscious. Uh, Why would you do such kind of stuff just on the path, man? Oh, anyway, we continue with our video. You see, a lot of napier grass, a lot of it on this side. A lot of napier grass on this side. Uh, Don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that. But it's all right. Anyway, mm, today I have just decided to show you these areas of the farm. Very how things are progressing, mm, especially that the rains are here. Like typically, this is the time it should be raining, but uh, it's like the rainy seasons have really changed because it started raining around February. It have been raining all around, uh, all around. So the water that causes all that erosion, it comes through this. It comes through these places. Even here, you can see the situation is not good. Mm? And the water comes, the France comes up the hill from that other side. Uh, So it comes with a lot of force, like a river. Uh, That is why you see it destroying the farms down there on that side. Uh, oh, and we follow this other side now. So guys, just a week ago, I was showing you some maize plantation here. They are very tiny. They are not even visible on the video. I want you to see the size or the transformation. Just a very short period. Huh? Like everything now is totally big. Huh? Look, look at that farm. Look at the maize. Really big. Huh? Already. Huh? It grows very fast. Huh? So guys, we are coming all the way from that other side down there. Huh? You see, from afar, it really looks amazing. Hmm? Really amazing. On that other side, you see more apartment on that other side. Huh? But that is really like far away from here. No, not very far away, but it's far because it is on the other side of the Nakuru Kampala Road. Huh? So many, many apartments on that side. So many apartments. This means plantation have really grown, but the other part remains remains very bare. Huh? They just, I think it was proud, yeah, but no plantation yet. Hey, today we have a lot of barns, many of them. I don't know if they are visible from the video, but there are so many of them up there. Hmm? I think some of them cause this huge structure home. This is a maize syrup. Yeah, it's like uh, a maize storage stuff. So many birds flying around. I hope we're gonna make it. I hope we're gonna make it. Mm, how can I check if the phone have charge? The battery on the phone was already below the limit, but I just hope we're gonna make it, even if it is just a short bro. Yeah, they call this structure home because a lot of them are coming inside those holes up there, and the weather feels so good. It's really cool, really cool. Yeah. Somebody can't even know it was raining today. It rains and things are back to normal. It rains and things are really back to normal. So guys, this is real Africa. And now it's time for Africans to start like believing in themselves, so that we can collaborate well and we can complement each other huh, in whatever activities we are doing to develop our continent in a very impactful way. mm. That would be a very good way to go. Instead of living in divisions, in chaos, huh? That is not something recommendable. People have to come together. People have to come together. Everywhere in the world, people do great things when they collaborate, mm, and when each individual put in the effort mm, to make sure that life is moving on this great planet of ours. Yeah, but when we cause divisions and uh, other biased activities, that is not good. That will only destroy us. It will always destroy our entity, our identity, and everything that humans should be enjoying. So it's so appealing, like to ensure, like, things are running on well. And that goes for every individual to make sure, like, they are playing their roles, they are playing their part. Ah, I don't even know which way to follow. Don't know which way to follow. Oh, don't know like which way to follow. Don't know. Alright, I can check my battery. Let me check my battery. Oh, it's 2%. It's 2%, guys. So let me end this video from here. Guys, my phone is going off. I will see you in the next video. I hope you have enjoyed the short vlog. Bye bye. See you.